I'm alive! I feel much better. I feel human again. Bloody awful yesterday. I haven't been out for years. It's because I didn't have my dinner. I went out on the piss, 6 o'clock. I thought, yeah, Rugby Ward's gonna be food there. There was food there, but when the food came out, I wasn't hungry. Oh, anyway. Today painting. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Well, it's 8:30. Got up half hour ago. I thought, you know what I need is an early morning drink of Diet Coke. Oh, excuse me. That's better. Right, so I feel great. I think I'm just tired. I had a long day yesterday. Long, hard. I've done bloody worse than that, a lot worse than that, a lot harder. But do you know what? It was hard mentally. It was mentally hard. But I did it, and I'm pleased with myself that I did it. I pushed myself. So I can do it if I push myself. Like most people, it's lazy fucker. Right, I'll screw these up. And I'll start painting. Yippee. Right, first coat going on now. This is we call it piss coat. Piss down water, so it's wet. So it's got loads of water in it. Because the first boring, isn't it? It's like watching bloody paint dry. Well, it's now Sunday. I've been out here all day. It's 6:30 in the evening. Been out this afternoon. I painted it this morning. I've got a couple of little bits that I need to touch up. But yeah, it's clean. It's I like it. It's fresh. Yeah, not a bad job. It's a shed at the end of the day. It's a bloody shed. So I'm just drinking a bloody big thing that whatever I got for 3 for a bloody whatever it is, massive bloody thing. Tsingtao. It's not bad. It's inoffensive. It's not nice, but it's big, it's cold, it's wet. So I've got a monstrosity in here. Something I picked up on eBay a few months ago. It's been in the other shed since, and I will show you. Right, that is a monstrosity. Cable them bloody wire. Picked up on eBay for 20 bloody quid. It looked a little bit smaller than it did on the picture. It looked like about 18 inches, but it's actually 2.5 foot by 2.5 foot. Must be got to be about a foot thick. Anyway, inside it there are lots of goodies, and I'm not going to use many of them, but it is RAM. It is RAM, aluminum ding dong. Full of stuff. Get that door open. Anyway, it's got switches, main switches, MCBs, 240 little 240 breaker, 12 volt transformer, handy, very handy. Couple of sockets in there. All a few switches there, but I'll replace most of them. Most of them are no good. Main switch, and these beauties. They are programmable lighting control units, and I paid 20 quid for the unit, and they are going for 100 quid on eBay each. So to be honest, if I've got 150 quid there, even got 65 quid each from them, they're untested, so I'm going to take a punt on them. If I can get 100 quid for them, more than happy. I've got everything in there I bloody need. All the cabling, absolutely stacks of cabling. Wait, look, there's masses of it, it's ridiculous. Yeah, so Happy days. How many relays? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, excuse me, put my bottle up there. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 relays. Let's see what they are. They are 10 amp. Something. But I'm going to use PIDs anyway, so. But they'll be handy for something. Obviously switching of extractors and all sorts of things like that, so they'll be good. So yeah, sort of single input electro control, absolutely no freaking idea. Dual input, don't say what it is. We don't say what it is, don't know what it is, it'll get thrown away. Oh, it's got a time delay in seconds. I'd say that is because it's got a HVAC extractor. I'd say they're the extractor controls. Time delay in seconds. Don't know, I suppose you press a button and just, oh no, I can get rid of them. Get rid of it. Someone will have them. They might be worth a tenner. That capacitor's taking a hit, that's knackered. There's one there. Someone can change the capacitor. So yeah, there's lots of goodies in there. Lots of hidden goodies. There's a hidden goodie there. Cool, a couple of smaller relays. There are fresh air. I don't know. But anyway, there's loads. Yeah, I thought first it was 415, 3-phase. It's 240. Well, I say that. It's got a sign in 240. If it was 3-phase, that'd say 415. Anyway, it's bloody good enough for what I need, and my swimming pool controls are going to go in here as well. So I can do the relays for the filters. My bloody hell, what's it called? Salt generator. Yeah, my salt generator. What else have I got? Needs power. I've got a little pump as well. It pumps a little circulation pump. Not circulation pump, I don't know. Anyway, I'm talking about bollocks now. So that's the monstrosity. Missy goes, what the bloody hell do you want that for? I said, because it costs 20 quid. If anything costs 20 quid, it's a bargain. So I'm going to sell them 2 units and 2 control units, and I'm going to buy a GoPro because I think I need one. I need to up my game, I think. It is a bit of a monstrosity, a bit big. So with the old swimming pool controls in there, it'll be alright. I'm not a rich man, I'm a swimming pool, it's an above ground pool. eBay. Right, at the moment it's a bit echoey in here, but I say I'm getting some carpet tiles down, and yeah, so it'll be a lot of soak up sound. So it's me again, really. Oh, bloody idiots. Oh, both of them, bang their heads together. Anyway, so yeah, it is quite echoey in here, which not sure about the acoustics, but yeah, if I get some carpet tiles down, it will soak up a lot of sound. Same, I've got an armchair in, it's going in there, a reclining chair, so which is the come out the house. So yeah, that will help with the acoustics a bit. If not, whatever, I don't know. Be alright. It's now Monday after work, and I'm going to commence with making the brew bench. Just looking at my other brew bench and the height of it, it's probably over 1 metre high, so I'm going to drop this down to literally just over 800 mil. So so you're losing sort of 7 inches in height, which is obviously, you leave looking in pots, you're like, ah, there you go. So I've got to look at the thing, obviously the height of that as well, so I can get a pot there and be nice light to work with. So I don't want it too high. My shed and my fermenter are going, my shed and my fermenter, my beer fridge and my fermenter are going in the corner there on top of each other. The brew tower is going there. I don't know if anyone knows about the brew tower, but it's a work in progress. More to be explained at a later date. And I'm going to do obviously a small return worktop, and so it'll be 10-foot worktop, then probably a 2-foot return, so 12-foot worktop. So I think that's plenty anyway. More than what I need. I'm not sure where the sink's going to go yet. The sink, I think it's going to return here, out of the way, in the corner. I think out of the way over there it would be a bit of a nightmare in the way. That way I can have this long length of a bench to work with and brew on. So yeah, cracking. Bench. Hour and a half, not bad. That's with a 10-minute conversation with the missus. Giving me more orders for later. So yeah, not bad, is it? Oh, I'll walk you through it. This return here. Sink's going to sit here. And obviously the rest of it is brewing. HLT. Mash tun, boiler, somewhere there, stick me Willis thingy bob, immersion. Ooh, like it. Yeah, you see, painting a bit more touched up, but do you know what? So this worktop here I'm going to seal, get some polyurethane varnish, see it now, that's rock hard, that stuff, so that'll be good. I was going to get kitchen worktop, but bloody expensive. So it's a cheaper alternative and it's a brew shed. It's not a bloody kitchen. So yeah, solid. I can lay on that. In fact, we got booted out of the shed or having the kids on a sleepover. I'll be in my bed. Whew, you know what? It's beer o'clock. In fact, watch this space. Oakham Citra, Oakham Ales. I had this on draft the other week, quite nice. In fact, no, it was very nice. Apparently they're doing well. Oh, not a massive head. It's nice though. Gooseberry aromas. I'll take their word for it. No. Right. Yeah, like me temporary phone holder, camera holder. I'm getting a GoPro anyway. So I think a GoPro wider angle lens, not like. So it's a bit, taking a fat bastard like me. Oh man. So, sometimes. He's alright, glass it. Can't get your bloody nose in there. Must have a big nose. Oh. Yeah. It's only 6:30. Can't be bad. Oh yeah, the old lighting controls. So yeah, it's still echoey in here. It's definitely echoey. Do you know what? I'm actually toying with whether I look better, or not I look better, I look good in any colour, all them, yeah. Sorry, look at that. Brad Pitt, my arse. White or yellow, because that's yellow. I actually look more skin tony, if you know what I mean, skin coloury. White, either or really. I definitely go to green, because that's the Hulk. I've already been done by X-rays. And blue. I'm making a blue movie. Bloody hell. Now I'm developing photographs. If you could actually. I bet you could. Oh, Jesus, bright. Yeah. That's that one. That's that one. So. $20 years ago, maybe. So yeah, it's actually bright enough. It is actually bright enough. I was a bit worried actually because at first I thought it was bright enough, and I thought, but now I've painted the walls, you get a lot of white light reflection. So yeah, of course the light's behind me. It's bounced off the wall. It's still bright enough. I can go back there. There you can't see. Yeah, I turn around in the white and shine off my bloody head. Ooh, it's going. Yeah, I said to the missus, I think it's turned off. She goes, no, you look like a thug with your tattoos. I said, it's either that or a comb over. So, choice is hers. Oh, comb over. So, it's food time. And on that one, these glow sticks.